Now again to return back to 0, like I need all the corner to be of the same size. Suppose this all the round corners to be of the same size. What I do is here, I'll simply unlock this button, because if you see here there are 4 different sizes. What I need is all the sizes to be of the same, all the corner of these boxes to be of the same size. What I'll do is unlock this button. Now this is locked. If I click on this, this becomes unlocked. Now if you unlock this, you can change the figures here. Suppose if I type 10 here, see this particular becomes the top left hand corner becomes tens. And again if I this all the as I said, all the 4 corners to be of the same size. Again I will type 10 here, press enter, this also becomes the same size. Here 10, this also becomes the same, this is 10. See, now all the 4 corners are of 10 mm. Okay, now again if I want to increase or decrease the rounded corner size from all the corners, what I do is again I lock this, click on this lock button, it becomes locked, it locks from all the 4 corner, and I change the size. Suppose if I type 8 here and press enter, it becomes 8. Now again I want to change only the rounded corner of this particular corner. What I do is unlock this this thing, and suppose on the bottom right hand corner I want to change this rounded corner size. See, these are the top left corner, top right corner, bottom left corner, and this is the bottom right corner. Now I want to change the bottom right corner uh, rounded shape. I'll increase the size here to 12. Press enter. See, this particular uh, corner size changes. Okay, this is how it works. So what I'll do is I'll again bring all the 4 corners to the same size, again to 0. See, now this is perfect square without any rounded corner or any other shape, and this is lock and unlock button. Now understand the other figures here. See, as you click the box, this particular tool changes. Now this is X and Y. This is the position. Suppose if I move this box, you will see the position of X changes. See, I am moving the box horizontal. I am moving it horizontal. So only the X size changes. If I move it vertical, the Y sizes, the Y figure changes. See, and I just simply drag it anywhere. You see, X and Y both changes. Okay. Now the next is, this is the size of the object. This is the width. See, if you see width changes. This is the height. Now if I keep both the figures same, it becomes perfect square. Okay, this is the lock and unlock button. Suppose if I lock this was unlocked. If I lock this and I change the size here to 80, the vertical size also changes accordingly. So it becomes 80. If I unlock this button and if I change the size, only the width changes. Same thing if I do here, only the height changes. So this is the use of lock and unlock button. Now I'll delete this box since we learn about the other tool. Delete the box and draw again another box. Give any color to this and go to the now we will be learning about smudge brushes. This is smudge brush. You see a small brush you can see here. you can change the size of this brush. Either you can increase or decrease by going to this by going here. This is nib size. So if you increase the size, the brush size, you see it increases. You decrease the size, the brush size decreases. So now to understand, what I'll do is I'll increase the size as much as possible. This I'll increase to 7, type 7 and enter. This becomes, the brush size becomes 7. Okay, now as I've always said, to run the tool, what you need to do is on the mouse, click the left mouse button and drag. You will see the brush, this particular brush, what it does. Okay, now I just click the left button of the mouse and I'll just drag it on this box. You see what does the brush does. See, this is how it works. So what it does is it has uh, cleared the color from the box, and it uh, wherever the gap is from both the end, it has put a border here, black, uh, or you can see it has just simply cut the box. The same thing we'll do on the somewhere else in the box. See, this is how it works. These are all the sizes, the this is how it works. This is how it works. This is smudge brush tool. Tilt means it slightly rotates the brush, and now see how this brush, what is the use of this brush. Now I will just select the entire all the objects and delete it and go to the next brush. Okay, again what I do is I'll draw an object, fill some color in it, again go to the third tool, that is roughen brush tool. That's what it is called. You see a brush icon here. You can change the size, the way, the positioning or the rotation, whatever you want to do here. Now just to understand, I'll not change anything here. Just simply click on the tool, rough brush tool, and click here through mouse. You can see there is a slight change. See the corner shape is being changed. As I drag the mouse, the corner shape, you can see it changes. If I want to increase the brush size, just click increase the brush size by clicking on this bottom on or above key, above arrow button, or just select the particular figures and type anything here, like 12 I type, the brush size increases, and click on the corner of the box. See the shape changes. Okay, now we'll learn the next tool. Delete this particular object. Again what I do is again draw an object, fill any color, go to the next tool, that is free transform tool. Okay, now see, let's see what does this do. This is, you select any of the corner and You can, if you move move your mouse here, it rotates. See, this rotates. Either you can make the movement from here, just type a figure here. 0 is it comes to the original position. If I type 180, it changes, it again rotates. If I type 50, it rotates to 50 degrees. And as soon as you click this free transform tool, you see the tools here. This is the rotate tool, this is the free angle tool. Now let's see what free angle tool does. Just drag this particular thing. So this is how it works. Now to make you easier to understand, what I do is, let's delete this particular object.